Captain, we're ready for you. You're not otherwise occupied.
Agent Carter, wait.
Looks like finding a partner wasn't that hard after all.
Maybe that's not what you thought it was.
I don't think anything, Captain, not one thing. Always wanted to be a soldier, and now you are, just like all the rest.
But what about you and Stark? How do I know you two haven't been fondue-ing?
You still don't know a bloody thing about women. Mr. Stark, I'm sure the captain has some unfinished business.